Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to get a loan from CashApp. So CashApp is Monopoly Money Bucks now, and they're just giving out money like hot fajitas. So when you're on your Cash App, you scroll to the bottom, go to the bottom, it says borrow. You click on borrow, it says how much they gonna give you. So here they're gonna give you 400 balls. There's no credit check. You receive cash instantly. There's a 5% flat fee, and there's 4 weeks to pay it back. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit continue, and then it says direct deposit 300 or more to unlock borrow. So now they want you to sub direct deposit, which is pretty cool because now you're going to get a banking account and you're going to get a routing account with a free Cash App card. So if you direct deposit, so just go to your gig, change the direct deposit. This might be a lot of work, but change the direct deposit John to Cash App John, and then put the John in direct deposit, and then bam, you're good. Your Cash App's going to hit here, and not only are you going to unlock the borrow feature, but you're also going to get 4.0% high yield saving, compound saving in your Cash App. That means if you put $100 in your Cash App, they're going to add about 20 to 30, maybe 50 cent or $1 something every single month, and you keep on adding money to it. Let's say you put $10,000 in it, they're adding about, I don't know, like 25, $85 a month. That's just compounding. I don't know. You do the math. Don't ask me for. I'm just a tech channel. Dog, leave me alone. So nah, but no, for real though. Like, yo, this stuff is real. So take advantage of Cash App and really just look at what's going on here. Because I'm trying to tell you, like, this is the way to get more money, to earn more money for sure. So that is how you get a loan at a Cash App. Let me know if you have any other questions. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you on another video. Peace.